Hi, my name is Chris, and I'm a Redpath Salesforce consultant. Today I'm going to show you how to enable and configure contacts to multiple accounts. Contacts to multiple accounts enables you to associate a single contact with multiple accounts. Every contact is associated with an account. Now you are able to associate more accounts with each contact. The primary account is represented as a direct relationship. The other associated accounts are represented as indirect relationships. Contacts to multiple accounts introduces two new related lists to help your staff view and manage account contact relationships. On the contact record, the related accounts list includes the primary or directly related account, along with the multiple indirectly related accounts. On the account record, the related contacts list includes the direct and indirect contacts. You can add and modify relationships from these related lists. So let's get started. To set up contact to multiple accounts in your Salesforce org, you're going to navigate to Setup. In the Quick Find search box, type Account Settings. And click on the Account Settings page. Then click the checkbox next to Allow users to relate a contact to multiple accounts. And click Save. You will see a message pop up. This is just saying that if you are in the process of doing a mass transfer or reassign process, be sure these processes have completed before saving the change. After you hit Save, it will start processing your request. This process can take several hours depending on the size of your org. You will see two more options available below. We recommend you use the default values, which is when users delete an account that has a direct contact that are related to other accounts, block users from deleting the account, and when users replace the primary account on the contact record, save the relationship between the contact and the previous primary account as an indirect relationship. Once you have completed this process, you can customize the object with additional fields and edit the page layout. To do this, go to Setup, Build, Customize, Accounts, Account Contact Relationships. We are not going to add fields today, but there are a few fields that we recommend you add to the page layout. We're going to click on Page Layouts and click Edit. We are going to add the direct and the active fields to our page layouts. Then click Save. Next, we're going to add the related contacts related list to the account page layout. Go to Setup, click on Accounts, Page Layouts. Click Edit next to the account layout that you want to add the related list to. Select Related Lists. Select Related Contacts from the list and drag it down to the related list. Since related contacts has the same information as the original contacts related list, we are able to remove that from the page layout. Click on the wrench icon on the related contacts related list, and we're going to add the direct field to the related list. Scroll down to the available fields and find the direct field and move it over to the selected fields. Click OK, then click Save to save our new page layout, and click Yes. The next step is to add the related accounts related list to the contact layout. So we're going to scroll down to our contact object and page layouts. Click Edit next to the contact layouts that you're going to add the related list to. Click on Related Lists and drag the Related Accounts related list to the page layout. Then click Save. And yes. One important thing to consider is how activities are rolled up in your org. By default, all activities roll up to the primary account. Since we have enabled multiple accounts, this should be reviewed. Things to consider are: existing activities will remain unchanged during the process. However, these will be affected if you edit the activity, which subsequently causes the rollup to be recalculated, such as closing the activity if it is still open. Person accounts, changing the rollup behavior doesn't affect person accounts. The activity will always remain on the person account record. And for lead conversion, if you create an activity while creating a lead, but you do not create an opportunity, the activity does not roll up to the lead's primary account. If you need more information on activity rollup considerations, go to help.salesforce.com and search for Considerations for changing how activities roll up to accounts. The recommended action is to change the activity settings. So we're going to go to Setup and search for Activity Settings in the Quick Find search box. We are going to uncheck the box next to Roll Up Activities to Contact's primary account. And click Submit. The last piece of the setup process is to update the report types. We are going to create 3 additional report types. Go to Setup, search for report types in the Quick Find box, click Continue, and click on New Custom Report Type. For the first report type that we're going to create, the primary object is the account object. So we're going to choose Accounts. The report type label should be Accounts with Contact Relationships. And we're going to store it in the category Accounts and Contacts. We're going to set it to Deployed and click Next. Accounts is our primary object. In the second object, we're going to select Contact Relationship and click Save. Click on the Back to List Custom Report Types. And we're going to create our second new report type. So click on New. Our primary object is Contacts. The report type label is Contacts with Account Relationships. And we'll store in Accounts and Contacts. We're going to choose Deployed and click Next. We're going to add the account relationship. And click Save. We're going to click on Back to List Custom Report Types. And we're going to create our third and final new report type. So click on New. Our primary object is Accounts. Our report type label is Accounts and Related Contacts with or without activities. And we're going to store in Accounts and Contacts. And choose Deployed and Next. We're going to add Contact Relationships, and then in the third box, we're going to add Activities. And we're going to select option B, records may or may not have related activity records, and click Save. So that's it. We have enabled contacts with multiple accounts and changed how activities rolled up to accounts and created 3 new report types so that we can pull reports on our newly created account relationships. If you would like more information on contacts with multiple accounts, go to help.salesforce.com and search for Contacts with Multiple Accounts. And thanks for watching.